Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm unboxing the most special and unique ukulele that I will have in my collection. This is from KLŌS. KLŌS took the internet by storm a few years ago with their carbon fiber ukulele, like they were driving over it to show how strong it is. I just love it when a brand is not afraid to try new things and not afraid to put something new out there. So let's open it up. The package comes with a gig bag that looks something like this. And the zipper on the gig bag is near the top of where the body would start or end. That really definitely maximizes the amount of space you can put in the pocket. And then you have a back strap and a side strap. Okay, look at this. It is so beautiful. So let's talk about the headstock. I'm going to turn it over here. These tuners are magic. They're buttery, silky, smooth. I don't think I have ever played with anything that glides quite like this. Super unique tuning pegs. Now we have 8 strings. This is a ukulele. It just sounds like this. Look. Oh, it sounds like a harp. So we have a low G that's wound and a high G. Then low C, a very high C, doubled E's, and doubled A's. This ukulele comes with fret markers on the side and on the front. And then one of my favorite features is that it comes with a Fishman EQ. You can tune the instrument from right here. You just turn it on. You'll get a little light. And then as you pick each string, it'll tell you if it's in tune or not, depending on where the light is. This is very handy, especially for an 8-string ukulele. In the beginning, it definitely feels like you have to tune more, but that's because you have more strings. This is just out of the box. I will have a sound demo in this video, but know that, it's a ukulele that's right out of the box, so it is expected to sound better as the strings set. If you record your own music, it is really beneficial to have an EQ because it allows you to plug into a computer and edit the sound and make any changes that you need to, especially with volume or reverb or anything like that. I definitely use ukuleles that have EQs when I record albums and all of my tutorials, so it's super, super useful to have that. Let's get a little sound demo of the instrument. That's what we're all here for, right? This is a really exciting new addition to my channel. I'm super grateful and happy to have it, especially having that Fishman EQ means that I can plug it in and have better audio for the videos. So you will see this in future tutorials for sure. Please ask any questions that you have about the instrument down below in the comments section so that I can try and answer everything or make a follow-up video. It's really up to you what you prefer. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're curious about this ukulele, I will link it down below. And if you'd like to learn how to play ukulele, stick around here. There's plenty of tutorials for you. I'll see you later. Ciao!